Hello everyone. Nifty has achieved our target as we shared our view last Monday on Ticker TV. Last week also market opened with upward gap up. However, due to monthly expiry, prices could not sustain and trader witnessed profit booking across the market. Nifty closes at 11,073 with loss of 120 points. Bank Nifty closes at 21,640 with loss of 1,022 points. Broader market traded with mixed bias. Nifty 500 closes at 9,085 with loss of minor 50 points, and Nifty mid cap also closes at 15,471 with minor loss of 57 points. Nifty Pharma remains top gainer for the week, closes at 11,148 with gain of 910 points. Nifty Private Banks remain top loser for the week and closes at 11,874 with loss of 583 points. Coming to the participants wise data, FII has added short position on index future by 1092 lots and added long position on index future by 2086 lots. DII added long position on index future by 2500 lots and reduced short position on index future by 2250 lots. Proprietary desk reduced long position on index future by 1713 lots and added short position on index by 3044 lots. Whereas client has reduced short position on index future by 1305 lots and reduced long position 2 on index future by 2292 lots. So clearly we can say FII and DII have positive view on market. Now coming to the technical and derivative setup on Nifty. Nifty is trading above its all important average like 50, 100 and 200 DMA. After upward gap up opening, Nifty faced resistance at 11,350, 11,400 and fell back to support level. On daily chart, prices have formed bearish Harami candlesticks pattern with negative divergence on RSI. Nifty cumulative open interest decreased by 32% and price is lost 1.1%, considered as a short built up. Looking at 6th August weekly expiry data, maximum open interest on call side is at 11,200 strike with 34,637 lots. Maximum open interest on put side is at 11,000 strike with 27,490 lots. Next, if we check maximum open interest changed happen on call side at 11,200 strike with addition of 17,570 lots and on put side 10,800 strike with addition of 9,483 lots. Clearly we can visible and we can see that market is under pressure. If Nifty price is sustained below 11,000 next week, then we can see further correction. Sell on rise would be the preferred strategy. Next week range for the Nifty with negative bias is 10,800 to 11,200. Now coming to the technical and derivative setup on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is trading below its all important average like 50, 100 and 200 DMA. Relatively Bank Nifty is more weaker than Nifty. On daily time frame, Bank Nifty has broken its rising trend line. Bank Nifty cumulative open interest reduced by 35% and prices lost by 4.5%, considered as a short built up. Maximum open interest on call side is at 22,500 strike with 30,836 lot. Maximum open interest on put side is at 21,000 with 22,424 lots. Next, if we check maximum open interest maximum OI change happen at call side at 22,500 strike with addition of 13,255 lots and on put side at 21,000 strike addition of 9,454 lots. Looking at data, no significant addition on put side suggests that Bank Nifty can test lower level. Technically Bank Nifty is weak too. Therefore, sell on rise would be the preferred strategy. Trader or investor can create a short position on Bank Nifty at 21,800, 22,000 for the target of 21,000 and 20,800 with a stop loss of 22,800. Thank you.